Hey, we're here at Converge 2023, and we're doing a tour of the labs today. And what's the title of your lab?
This is an Enforce lab, Say Goodbye to Policy Management Stress.
All right, and who are all y'all? Since we're in Texas, I'll say all y'all, right?
So Mike Camelcar, Technical Account Manager at Tanium, been here for a little over 2 years.
Gene Fields, Senior Support TAM here at Tanium, been over here about 2.5 years.
And Mike Keachy, Technical Account Manager, coming up on my 8th year at Tanium.
All right, so tell me, what are the use cases people are doing in your lab?
Yeah, so we are walking through policy management with device management, with MDM, with Defender, with USB device management, and
User security and machine settings, and our ability now to override domain policy with configuration service provider policies within Tanium.
So what kind of feedback have you gotten on the lab so far? What are the users of the lab enjoying the most?
No, they're enjoying the interaction, seeing it unfold from start to finish.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, applying the policies and seeing that remediate CIS benchmarks, logging into an endpoint and seeing those changes take effect right away, with the speed of Tanium.
Yeah.
yeah, I think quickly seeing how easy it is to manage Windows Defender and then report on the health of Windows Defender across their environment. I think they really love that.
So what's your personal favorite part of the lab as the instructors?
I love the Defender management component of Enforce because it is so easy and it's so effective and it does so much for such a little bit of time to invest.
For me, it's the MDM. I love device enrollment. It's great that you can now manage your Mac devices within Tanium and get that enrolled.
Yeah, I would say it's showing them our overriding a domain policy, not having to worry about that confliction anymore with local policy, and just making it easy for them to set that up across their environments.
Thanks for running this lab. I know our customers really value the lab experiences. So thanks for making that possible. I know you guys put a lot of work into this to get to this day. So thank you, and stay tuned because we've got more labs coming up.
Thank you.
Thanks, Ashley.
Thanks, Ashley.